From the dawn of time, gamers have played video games for fun. Until Bennett Foddy's Getting Over It, the most iconic rage game out to date. Suddenly, gamers everywhere found pleasure in being put through torturous, difficult, and almost impossible gaming experiences, making some of us rage. To this day, we still don't know why gamers enjoy being put through so much pain. But anyway, today I present to you my new game, Rocket Rat. A rat that has been experimented on and has been given the power to withstand an RPG explosion. However, he's lost his legs, so now he relies on the explosive power of an RPG to move. So welcome to Rocket Rat, my attempt at a rage-inducing game. So far, the game is very much early stages, but I want to share it with you guys to show you what I think could be a really fun concept for a game. Inspired by Getting Over It, Rocket Rat is a game where you have limited control over your player's movement and you can fall back to the bottom of the level at any given moment. There's no progression saving, no reset. If you fall, you have to restart. The current lore of the game is the rat named Rocket had been experimented on in a laboratory and now he wants to escape. With his newfound power, he can rocket his way out of the lab to freedom. Not to be cheesy, but let's talk about the most important feature of all. Cheese. Cheese is a sacred, beautiful, man-made delicacy which some would argue can make your bowels pretty explosive. So, it's a perfect fit for our little Rocket Rat. You can collect cheese along your way to get street creds with the Cheese Gang. It serves no real purpose to the progression of the game, but for those who like a little challenge, cheese will be placed in precarious locations to entice the player to get the highest possible score, but also could lead the player to its doom. The level so far is just a prototype and the visuals will all be replaced later on, and that's really all there is to the game so far. I plan to add a few more features, including split paths, slippery surfaces, and a few more other features, but I want you guys to let me know what you'd like to see in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.